Hello, just want to make a second video for you. I mean, this is our class, it's section 7502 here, and you're asking about homework 3.2. You have these videos here, and I just wanted to point out, this example 3, it shows you how to do it by hand, stat crunching with the calculator, but Ticker is bringing up stat crunch. This is a really nice video how to find a standard deviation for population with stat crunch. It's a little over a minute, 20 seconds. Now, more specific to the one we're doing here, the one we asked me about, example 5, instead of doing it for population, they're doing it for the sample here. And again, it's using stat crunch. Now, this one's a little shorter. It's a minute and 13 seconds, but this is really a nice video. Be well worth your time. They show you how to do standard deviation with stat crunch, which is what she's asking about. Hope this helps.